If you're into mobile gaming, then you have to check out Realme on Shopee. They have a wide array of smartphones from budget entry-level to mid-range phones that's still under 20,000 pesos. Click the link down in the description to know more about their products. Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shoutout din sa mga podcast listeners natin. I appreciate you all. Today's stock market news update lang tayo. So, lahat ng mga articles is galing sa Business World. So, first one, yung GMA Network. So, yung net income nila jumped 3 times to 2 billion pesos. So, grabe, no? And by the way, lahat ng mga links ng mga articles ito is matatagpuan sa description sa baba. So, if you wanna read this on your own fully, so check out nyo lang yun dyan sa description. Papasadaan lang natin ng konti. So, skim lang tayo. So, yung total revenue ng GMA 7 nag-surge siya by 54%. So, last year, nasa 3.5 billion lang. This year, first quarter, 5.46 billion na. So, grabe, no? So, malaking factor dyan is yung advertising revenue nila. So, it increased by 56.6%. So, nasa around 3.2 billion lang yung advertising revenue nila nung 2020 for the same period. This year, nasa 5 billion. So, grabe. Ang laki nung tinaas. Then, isang contributor dyan is yung launch ng GMA for the Box, yung subscription income nila, and then yung mga income na galing sa kanilang subsidiaries. So, yun, that's pretty much it. Let's check yung kanilang data sa PSE Edge. Here we are sa PSE Edge, so GMA 7. So, kung kita nyo dito, no, so this is December 31 pa. So, nasa 7.2 billion yung kanilang retained earnings. And then, pagpatak ng quarterly report for March 31, 2021, yung retained earnings nila is 2.6 na lang. That's because binabawas dito sa retained earnings yung binabayad na dividend sa mga stockholders. And then, yung kinitangan nila income statement for the first quarter of 2021 sa 2 billion. So, nadagdag lang yan ulit dito sa kanilang, kumbaga, ipon ng business. Talaga nag-surge na yung kanilang income for 2021. And I think, tuloy-tuloy lang yan this year. So, yung forecast is around 8 billion to 10 billion yung net income nila for this year. So, that's pretty good para sa mga holders, no? Sa mga hodlers ng GMA 7. Lalo na next year, mataas yung ating makakuha na dividends, hopefully. And then, next one naman, another article galing sa Business World. Wala pa yung data ng DDMP REIT sa PSE Edge, but that's fine. So, nag-climb ng 12% yung income ng REIT, ng DDMP REIT for the first quarter of 2021. So, that's pretty good. Kasi, like, at least 90% ng income nila is i-distribute sa mga holders nitong DDMP REIT na to. And then, isa pang good news is at least 97.23% no, is na-lease out na dun sa mga real estate assets nitong DDMPR. So medyo stable na daw sila doon. And then sabi naman ni Injapsia, yung chairman ng DDMPR, quote, "We are pleased to conduct the second consecutive cash dividend declared to the shareholders of DDMP REIT this quarter, this time covering the profits that DDMP REIT generated during the first quarter of 2021. So solid, no? So medyo tataas ng konti yung dividend na bibigay nitong REIT, pero hindi naman ganun ka-significant. But that's still good na they are making some more money. Next one. So ito. Isa pang regrets. #regrets na hindi ko nabili ng IPO. So for sure maganda talaga yung runway ng MerryMart. Okay, so yung next one is PAL naman. So medyo sad news, no? So they're on the verge of like filing for bankruptcy. So yung Chapter 11 filing sa US. So sad yun, no? Kasi nag-report sila ng losses since the first quarter of 2017, and that's not good. So yung business, like, yes, sa simula, lalo na pagka startup ka pa lang, it's pretty normal to lose money. And syempre, in the middle of the operations na rin along the years, meron talaga mga down years, lalo na kapag nagkaroon, for example, diba, yung COVID, nag-start 2020. So that's normal na yung mga businesses is like down yung stocks nila. Syempre, diba, nag-crash nga yung market last year. And then yung income nila is nababawasan din. Yung PAL naman sa case ito, 'di ba? First quarter pa lang ng 2017, they're they're losing money na. And then, halos 29 billion pesos or 607 million US dollars yung nawala sa kanila. First 9 months pa lang ng 2020. So, grabe, no? Yung business is not working talaga. Kasi, yung airline naman talaga is directly affected ng COVID. And then, ang taas din kasi nung like operating costs nila. So, you really need a big capital, no? Or like big capital expenditure, capex, to operate this kind of business. And it's not working for them right now. Kahit naman wala pa ng COVID, it's not looking good for them. So yeah, let's see in the next couple of days, in the next couple of weeks or months, kung ano ba yung magiging announcement ng PAL. Syempre, kailangan nilang like i-announce it officially. But yeah, parang doon na nga papunta, no, sa pag-declare ng bankruptcy. Then, another good news naman, yung first gen nag-rise yung kanilang income, 29%. So, Lopez owned to, no? Lopez led power generation company din to. So, one of like the biggest companies din in the Philippines. So, yung total revenues from the firm's electricity sales in the first quarter was almost flat at 23.3 billion pesos. So, 483 million US dollars. Okay, check natin dito sa PSE Edge. So, in US dollars yung ano nila, no? Yung denomination ng reports. So, wait, check muna natin yung for 2020. Retained earnings at 1.6 million. Wait, hindi, mali. 1.6 million in thousands eh. So, 1.6 billion US dollars yan. So, net income nila for the year, 393.7 million US dollars. So, ang laki, no? And then, for the first quarter of 2021, I think solid din naman. Retained earnings, wala masyado nagbago. Buwasan na ng konti. And then, nagdagdag yung net income nila. Tumaas naman, no? Tumaas. Kahit yung attributable to parent. So, tumaas from 96.7 million, naging 118.8 million US dollars for the first quarter ng 2021 compared to the first quarter of 2020. So, solid. That's good for the shareholders, stockholders of First Gen Corp. So, tingnan natin yung market. O, diba? Isa talaga siya sa pinakamalaking companies. Kasi above 100 billion pesos yung market cap ng stock na to. And the next one. So, I owned this stock before. Pilipinas Shell turns to profit in the first quarter of 2021. So, that's pretty good. So, nagpo sila ng 1 billion net profit first quarter. Reversal ng 5.5 billion loss, no, it incurred last year. Yung COVID lang talaga, no, yung kumbaga determining factor kung bakit sila naglo-lose ng business and syempre ng income. If I can remember correctly, they sold yung isang parang plant nila and then they're in the process of like converting it into like a port. So yeah, parang ganun, doon na napupunta yung direction ng business ng Pilipinas Shell. Pero syempre mainly pa rin sila, petrol and energy. So start na lang ng 2020, no? So nag-shrink yung market cap niya kasi like nasa 30-ish pesos per share. Tinetrade yung stocks niya by the start of 2020. And then ngayon nasa 20-ish, 21-ish na lang. So 32, malaki pa rin naman kahit pa paano. 32 billion pa rin yung market cap nila. Then, yun nga, nag-end sila in losses noong 2020. And then, yung retained deficit nila is 4.3 billion pesos. So, nabawasan na ng konti yan, no? So, nasa 3.2 na lang sila yung deficit kasi nakabawi nga sila nakakuha sila ng net income na 1 billion for the first quarter of 2021. So, hopefully, tuloy-tuloy na yan. And, yeah, sana like mababawasan na yung deficit nila and like makover yan this year. So kung like 1 billion every quarter, they're on pace to recover those losses, no, this year. Although like matitira pa around 200 million. But yeah, that's still good instead of like carrying this like, this deficit. Pero mo 11 billion yung retained earnings nyo for the end of 2019 and then end of 2020. You incurred losses 16 billion. Tapos naging 4 billion yung deficit nyo, no? So, you can't really be sure, no? Parang yun lang yung lesson na although business is doing good, there's always, may mga events na, mangyayari, like itong COVID, that will lead to this. So yun, kung hodler ka ng Shell, ako wala. Paper hands ako sa Shell. So binenta ko na siya and I bought some GMA shares, if you can remember. But yeah, that's pretty nice na they're recovering na. Then this is the last one that we'll discuss. So Maxis Group swings to profit despite lockdown. So that's solid, no? Kasi mainly puro naman restaurants yung kanilang business. And I think nakatulong din naman dito is yung like delivery nila. If they're doing that. And syempre like, di ba, parang pabago-bago yung restrictions. Like, may ilang months like noong 2020 na pwede na, and then the first couple of months itong 2021 pwede rin yung dine-in. So yeah, I think that like brought in some revenue and profits sa kanilang businesses. So 335 million pesos yung attributable net income nila from January to March. So that's the first quarter. And then 168 million kasi yung net losses nila a year ago. So yeah, medyo mas strict kasi last year. So consolidated revenues dropped by 32% to 1.84 billion. They're pivoting in business models done throughout the pandemic. So, di ba? Pabago-bago din yung strategy nila. You have to be flexible and dapat marunong ka mag-adjust, no? Lalo na in times like this na medyo uncertain. Pero, well, I think we're progressing na rin naman. And hopefully, like, talaga, yung vaccine yung malaking factor dyan. Like, pag na-roll out yung vaccine and like, majority, lalo na sa working force natin ay magka-vaccine. Pero syempre, yung priority is like yung mga high risk, right? And then yung mga nag-work sa medical field kasi sila yung mga frontliner, no? Na tumutulong dun sa mga nagkasakit, nagka-COVID. So, sila yung priority talaga. So, hopefully, matapos yun. And then yung next batch is syempre, yung next na magka-qualify na sa vaccine. And hopefully lahat tayo magkaroon na this year sana. But like yung forecast is like matatapos pa by next year, mid next year, end of next year. But yeah, hopefully mas mapabilis kasi syempre kailangan tayo, no? Kailangan yung workforce, kailangan yung tao, kailangan yung employees para makarecover yung buong bansa. And syempre mag-election din next year. So that's really important kasi hindi naman tayo like nagbobotohan online. So yeah, that's very important na ma-roll out talaga yung vaccine. Okay, I'm blabbering na. So I'm gonna end the episode here, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo. And if umabot kayo at the end of this episode, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Huwag niyong kalimutan i-smash yung like button kasi sobrang nakakatulong yun sa algorithm ng YouTube. And if bago ka naman sa channel ko, subscribe ka na and ring the notification bell para wala kang miss out sa mga uploads ko. Yung regular about investing is Monday and Friday and then sometimes Wednesday. So bonus lang yung mga videos natin on a Wednesday. And then if you want to schedule a one-on-one with me, if you want to learn more about investing, this is for free. You can schedule a one-on-one using my Beacons link down in the description below. And also, of course, lahat ng sources ko, lahat ng links dito sa Business World articles na nabanggit natin on this particular episode is matatagpuan sa description sa baba. And syempre, if you want to connect with me sa mga social media platforms, accounts ko, at PSPH, lahat yan. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. So yeah, follow nyo ko doon. And if you don't know yet, meron ng channel membership si Peso Smart PH. Click nyo lang yung second link dyan sa description to know more about it. Yun guys, thank you again for watching and listening. Stay safe out there and I'll see you all in the next episode. Always remember, be Peso Smart.